What's up, YouTube? So to start this video off, we're gonna be changing the brake pads on a Yamaha R1. So basically, I'm just changing the brake pads from a single H to double H. So these double H ones are supposed to brake. They're performance brakes, so they're supposed to brake harder and do way better than your stock brakes. And you're gonna need some dot fluid, dot 4. You know what I mean? So you're gonna want to come right here down to your brake pads, and you see these little things right here. We're gonna pull those out. You don't want to lose them though, so make sure you put them in a safe place. And you're gonna want to do the same thing with these bottom ones too. Pull these out. And then pop these pins out. You're gonna want to watch out because this is gonna fall, so you want to make sure you grab that. And then pop this other one out. So make sure you grab that. Cool. Bam, now your brake pads should come out. These ones, yeah, they're still cool. They're still pretty chunky and thick, you know, brand new, but I want to change mine out anyways, you know what I mean? So, gotta put these, now we're gonna put these ones in. When you know how to put the new brake pads in, you want to make sure you put the padded side on the disc. So you don't want to put it in this way. You want to put it in this way for this one. See, I wanted to show you guys this. You're gonna have to push the cylinders back because now that these are a little bit thicker than the other ones, you're gonna have to push these back in order to fit that in. And to push them back, really all you have to do is like, bam, so you see these little things in there, right there. You're just gonna have to push it back with your hands and your thumbs. Just gotta put some pressure. It'll go, but it takes a while. Now that the brake pad's in and everything, now it's time to reassemble it. So put that right there, back how it goes. And then it's time to shove your pin in there. And see right here, it's giving me some problems, but you're gonna have to shove that pin back, or that brake pad back, so you can get the pin in. Now once you get the pin in, now put the safety pin in on each side. All of them. Make sure you put each pin in because you're gonna need them. It's all assembled and you're ready to go. Just make sure you pump your brakes and make sure that your brakes actually work. But remember, you're gonna want to do the other side too, since there's 2 brake calipers. Got everything in on both sides. On both sides. I don't want to come up here and, well, I already pumped mine, but it should be really loose and you're gonna have to push it a couple times. Get on your bike, walk your bike forward, make sure it stops. Bam, and then shit, go ahead, you good to ride.